Lesson 1. The Oral Examination. Welcome to your MATSEC Intermediate English Prep. Today, we will look at the roughly 15-minute oral session. The examiner assesses your spoken performance equally on 4 criteria: fluency and coherence, pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. The oral exam has 3 parts. Part 1 is an informal interview lasting about 3 minutes. The examiner will ask basic questions on familiar topics like study, work, or leisure. You should aim for brief but complete 1 or 2 sentence answers that give basic information and specific detail. Next is Part 2, which centers on a visual prompt. When shown an image, you must first describe it in as much relevant detail as possible. Once the description is complete, you move into a guided 2-way discussion, where you will evaluate related topics and propose alternative perspectives. Finally, in Part 3, you deliver a long turn of about 3 minutes. Before entering the room, you choose one topic from a list of 5, covering areas like education, environment, modern technology, or current affairs, and use your preparation time to make brief notes. To structure your presentation clearly, use signposting to indicate different stages. Functional discourse patterns such as cause-effect, comparison-contrast, and problem-solution are highly valued here. If you run out of ideas, keep your speech coherent by opening a fresh aspect of the same topic, perhaps focusing on a different group of people, and support it with a new example.